Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best folding electric bike. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Onkir. Model number, MEB003. With 26-inch strong anti-slip tire, provide you with excellent traction. You can easily ride over gravel, rain, dirt, sand and enjoy the ultimate e-bike adventure. Just turn the thumb throttle to accelerate, which is very convenient. Onkir folding electric bike adopts lightweight aluminum alloy collapsible frame for quick folding and easy storage. The rims are made of double-walled aluminum alloy to offer greater durability and a faster ride with less drag. Detachable waterproof line design, easy to replace accessories. Double shock absorption, give you a comfortable riding experience when bumps in the road. Professional 21-speed transmission system, front and rear disc brakes give you double safety when riding, provide more reliable braking force in different weather. The bright LED headlamp is equipped for night riding. Electric bike adult is equipped with powerful 350-watt motor, maximum speed can reach 20 miles per hour. Detachable lithium-ion battery, it only takes 4 to 5 hours to charge. 2 charging ways, charging on the bike or removing the battery for charging. Don't worry about being stolen. Bike and assisted bicycle and normal bike. With the LED smart meter button, you can select 3 speed modes of assisted bicycle and bike. It promises a range of 44 to 50 miles when riding in assisted mode or 22 to 25 miles when riding with full power. You can also choose to turn off the power to enjoy the fun of normal bike. Motor, battery, controller and dashboard are guaranteed for 1 year. Electric bike arrives 90% assembled, just need to assemble the front wheel, handlebar and pedals. Front fork, aluminum alloy plus iron front fork suspension. Gear shift system, 21-speed transmission system. Brake system, front wheel and rear disc brakes. Number 4. Brand name, Changmilo. Model number, MX21. MX21 folding mountain electric bike is equipped with a smart display, which shows the total mileage, battery life, speed, and power level. The display is equipped with 3 buttons to control the electric mode and power assist mode. 48-volt 500-watt brushless motor, strong power will add fun to your travel. The maximum speed of the engine is over 40 km per hour and the climbing ability can reach 35 degrees in common road conditions. The motor has a speed limit function. Enjoy the freedom of fresh air and ride on your commute or travel. You can easily head out at night on this electric bike as the LED lights illuminate the road and any passers-by clearly. They also ensure other drivers on the road know of your presence. Number 3. Brand name, Jingma. Model number, R8. The R8 uses a dual shock absorption system with 20 into 4.0-inch fat tires, so that the vehicle has a good shock absorption effect on daily roads, and can better adapt to various road conditions such as snow, highways, beaches, and mountains. The wheel has a large contact area with the ground, and the ability to resist pits is stronger. 800-watt high-power engine, waterproof, dust-proof, noise reduction, high torque, strong power. The electric bicycle R8 adopts a high-strength aluminum alloy frame. The operating area is equipped with switches, lights, horns, indicator lights and speed buttons. Even if you have never ridden an electric bike before, you can learn all the functions quickly. The R8 is foldable and portable, and fits in the trunk of most cars for travel. Cycling to watch games and concerts can also help you avoid traffic jams and reach your destination quickly. On holidays, it is also a pleasure to travel by cycling with friends or family. The electric bicycle R8 is equipped with a mechanical brake and power-off system. When you brake, the electric bicycle will cut off the power and turn on the braking system. Let the electric bicycle stop quickly to ensure driving safety. With 15 ampere-hour cell and self-developed intelligent eco-power saving system, the auxiliary endurance can reach 120 kilometers. Long-lasting battery life escorts complex terrain, making riding more fun. 3 riding modes to meet your different needs. Cycling mode, power-assisted mode and electric mode. Human mode, don't turn on the power, ride like a bicycle. Power-assisted mode, starting power supply, driving by riding and electric energy. Electric mode, power-driven forward. Vector control system, high speed and precise control of energy output. Greatly buffer the bicycle vibration and ride comfortably. USB mobile phone charging bracket, mobile phone bracket off, safe and reliable USB voltage stability without virtual charge. Foldable seat for easy battery removal, rear light for safe night riding. Number 2. Brand name, Gunay. Model number, MX-01. MX-01 electric bicycle adopts the central axis straight sensing application system. 12 pieces of magnetic steel transmit signals accurately and efficiently. Powered riding is more comfortable. The battery can be removed and charged, or it can be charged directly in the bike. Imported PA66 raw material reducer. Imported German whole chip. Signal processing is timely and stable, not easy to damage. Highly integrated control elements. Transmission rate is higher than industry. MX-01 electric bicycle adopts domestic famous XOD hydraulic oil brake. The brake feel and stability are greatly improved, and the safety is higher. In human mode and electric mode, it can easily handle uphill, downhill and flat roads with variable speed. Use different gears according to different road conditions. Easily navigate different paths. 4-link rear shock absorber design can be effective filter the uneven road surface to make your riding more comfortable. 1000 watt superpower. The wider the tire width pass through obstacles, resist impact, reduce bumps and achieve car-like comfort. The ergonomic design of the bicycle half handlebar set has a lower failure rate and is non-slip. Number 1. Brand name, Jingma. Model number, R7. R7 electric bike adopts high-strength aluminum alloy frame. The battery is built into the frame of the frame, which not only saves space, but also makes the bike's exterior design more attractive, while ensuring its safety and durability. The operating area is equipped with switches, lights, horns, indicator lights and speed buttons. Even if you've never ridden an e-bike before, you can learn all the functions quickly. The R7 is foldable and easy to transport and fits in the trunk of most touring cars. Cycling to watch games and concerts can also help you avoid traffic jams and get to your destination quickly. During the holidays, bike rides with friends or family are also a pleasure. The R7 electric bike is equipped with a dual-disc oil brake and shutdown system. When you brake, the electric bike will cut power and turn on the braking system. Let the electric bike stop quickly to ensure riding safety. The R7 uses a dual shock absorption system with a 20 into 4.0 inch fat tire, which allows the vehicle to have good shock absorption effect on daily roads and can better adapt to various road conditions, such as snow, highways, beaches and mountains. Long-lasting battery life escorts complex terrain, making riding more fun. 3 riding modes to meet your different needs. Manpower model, power-assisted mode, electric mode. With 15 ampere-hour cell and self-developed intelligent eco-power saving system, the auxiliary endurance can reach 120 kilometers. 800-watt high-power engine, waterproof, dust-proof, noise reduction, high torque, strong power. Vector control system, high speed and precise control of energy output. USB display backlight speed, speed loop gear brake fault, display power speed mode, mileage numerical. The wheel has a large contact area with the ground, and the ability to resist pinch is stronger. Greatly buffer the bicycle vibration and ride comfortably. High brightness front light, the road can be seen more clearly at night. Frame, aluminum alloy frame, front fork, aluminum alloy front fork.